A few weeks ago, I went looking for one of my own scripts. I knew I'd written it, I knew it existed, I just couldn't remember where I'd saved it. The published video title had changed, but the file name never had, so I searched and searched and still couldn't find it. Then it hit me. If I was already struggling with around 40 video, what happens when there are 200 or 500? This wasn't really a missing file problem anymore. My whole system just wasn't going to scale. Because a YouTube video isn't just one video. It's the script, the titles, the thumbnails, the analytics, the retention graphs, the comments, the notes, and all the ideas that come afterwards. They're all connected, but a folder doesn't understand that. And then I realized this isn't only a YouTube problem. That's when I realized I didn't need better folders. I needed a better system. So I asked Codex to organize my YouTube channel. I was expecting a cleaner folder structure. What I got was something completely different. Codex built an entire knowledge library inside Notion. Every video had its own page, everything had a proper place, and everything was connected. Every script, every thumbnail, every title, every analytics report, every idea. At first I thought it was just organized. Then I realized it was becoming something much bigger. Now whenever I change a title or update a thumbnail, I just ask Codex. It updates the page and keeps a history of every version I've tried before. Nothing gets lost anymore. I don't have to remember where something is. I don't have to remember what I called it. I don't even have to remember when I created it. The system keeps track of it for me. If I want an old script, I ask Codex. If I want to compare every title I've tested, I ask Codex. If I want to review my thumbnail history, I ask Codex. And if I want to find the storytelling mistakes I keep repeating, I ask Codex. The biggest lesson wasn't really about Notion. And it wasn't just about organizing files. It was about giving AI a reliable system to work from. Because once everything had a proper home, Codex stopped simply helping me find files and started helping me improve my work. Every script, every thumbnail, every title, every retention graph, every lesson, nothing gets lost anymore. I didn't just organize my YouTube channel. I built a second brain.